Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create a blog website in 10 minutes. It's the one you see on screen right now. I will try to use only free tools, so we are going to spend less than 50 Australian dollars, which is roughly 36 US dollars. This is money for hosting services and domain registration. In fact, by the end of this video, we will have completed the following steps. 1. Choose a hosting provider, and purchase a low-cost but dependable plan to host our blog. 2. Register a domain name for our blog's website. 3. WordPress installation on our website. 4. Download and install the free version of the Astra theme. 5. The installation of a nice-looking blog theme template. 6. Create an email account so we are able to communicate with the visitors. This video is the first in a series, which is expected to be completed with another 3 to 4 videos following in the next 2 weeks. So, this blog will end up as a very powerful Amazon and eBay affiliate website. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the videos in this series. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at wpgopro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. The hosting provider we are going to use today is SiteGround. This company is one of the top hosting WordPress companies around the world. So, I am going to click on the View Plans button under Managed WordPress Hosting. As you can see, the most popular plan is Grow Big, and that makes sense, because it is the cheapest plan, offering unlimited websites and a great number of other features as well. I already have a GoGeek business account, so for this tutorial I am going to create a new startup account. It is a low-cost $5.99 per month account that allows you to create only one website. If you want to purchase an account on SiteGround, I will leave the link in the description below. If you purchase the service using the link provided, I may receive a small commission. However, there is no additional charge to you. This helps me continue to create the free content that I publish on the channel. So, I go to Startup and I click on Get Plan. At this stage, I am going to register the domain wpgopro.club. Just make sure the domain registration is checked and type the domain name of your choice. Then click on Proceed. Now it is time to provide all the personal or business details necessary to create an account on SiteGround. Also, you must provide the payment details as well. As this is something specific to the person who owns the account, I am going to speed up the video. I have selected 1 month for the service period, as this is an account I am going to use for the tutorials for about 2 to 3 months. It is up to you, if you want to pay extra to keep your domain private and avoid spam calls in the future. The cost is 15 Australian dollars per year, which I would spend on my business websites. SG Site Scanner is another monitoring service which sends notifications in case something is wrong with your website. Again, it is up to you if you want to buy something like that. The amount I am going to pay is 44.98 Australian dollars. Check to accept the terms of service, and if you'd like to receive news from SiteGround. Then, click on Pay Now. Okay, your account has been created. Click on Proceed to Customer Area. Now click on Access WordPress in the Start a New Site Now box. This is just an informative screen saying how you can access your website tools. Scroll up to the top and click on Websites. Here you see your website, which is still pending as the installation has not been completed yet. Click on Complete. Make sure the existing domain is selected. In the field Enter your domain name, it is already filled in with the domain we have purchased. Click Continue. Select Start New Website. Select to install just the WordPress software, as we only create a blog, so WooCommerce is not required. Provide an email and password for the administrator of the site. Click Continue. Click on Finish. Installation has now been completed. Click on Login Admin to access the admin area of your website. Okay, now I log in with the administrator's email. We are on the dashboard of our website, and let's see what the website looks like. It's got the default theme, so it doesn't really look so good. So let's now install the free version of the Astra theme, which has many features and is very popular indeed. At this stage, the free version is enough. However, if you prefer a more advanced version, I will leave the link to the professional version in the description below. So let's click on Appearance, and then Themes. Click Add New, and search for the Astra theme. It's here first on the top left column. Click Install and then Activate. Click Live Preview. The Astra theme has been installed, so let's check how our live site looks. Okay, our site still doesn't look very good indeed, but this is going to change with the next step. So, I am going to Appearance, and then Astra Options. On the right column in the middle, click Install Importer plugin. This is going to give us access to import one of the free Astra theme templates. Okay, now it is asking what page editor we are going to use for building our site. Since I am going to use the free version of Elementor, it's a good idea to just install it first. So I go to Plugins. Click Add New. Search for Elementor. It's here first on the top left column. Click Install and then Activate. Now let's go back to where we were before, at Appearance, and then Astra Options. On the right column in the middle, click See Library. There are many templates available, but the majority of them are marked as premium, and they are accessible only with the paid Astra version. However, if you look carefully, you can find a good free template. So I searched for blog templates. By scrolling a bit down, I found this nice blog template. As you can see, it's got 2 nice pages to import, so I click Import Complete Website. The next step is to answer 2 questions. So let's say, my WordPress knowledge is at an intermediate level and I am building a site for myself. Click Next. The last step is to provide my name and my email, so I do that as well. Done. Let's see our site now. Our site looks much better now and we are able, with a few changes to the text, to have our site as we want it to be. So, as a first change, let's go to Appearance, and then, Customize. I am going to replace the logo. Click on Header Builder. Click on Site Title and Logo. Click Change Logo, and upload your own logo. Make sure the size is right and click Crop Image. Okay, the logo has been changed, so click on Publish and then go back. I guess it is better to check the site first. So let's refresh the page, and as you see, we have a new logo. Let's have a quick look at all the site's pages. So this is what the home page looks like. Our blog page shows a few of the posts which were imported with the theme template. At the bottom of both pages, we have the section for the email subscription, which is good. Our contact page is also a good-looking page. The pages, Babies, and Sensory Play are also pages showing posts. Let's return to the dashboard to see where these posts exist. So click on the left column on Posts, and you get the list of the posts. Let's now return to SiteGround. I want to show you how you can create an email account under the domain of your website. Close the WordPress Kit window and then click on Site Tools. Click on Email in the left column. Click on Accounts and let's create the email account, info@wpgopro.club. Give a password and click Create. The email account has been created. Now if you click on these 3 dots on the bottom right corner, you get a pop-up menu. We may increase the standard storage capacity. So I clicked on Change Quota and I made it to, let's say, 3 GB. Click to confirm. One last thing. Click on the 3 dots again. Now on Mail Configuration and then on Manual Settings. Here you get the settings for configuring your mail client to access your mailbox. Optionally, you may choose to have the auto configuration if you use one of the supported email clients, which you may see here. Okay guys, we have managed to create a nice looking blog site in 10 minutes. As I explained at the beginning of this video, this was the first in a series, which is expected to be completed with another 3 to 4 videos following in the next 2 weeks. So, this blog will end up as a very powerful Amazon and eBay affiliate website. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the videos in this series. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. My name is Nick and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this. Don't forget to subscribe and the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.